Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with the video. So in this video, we are going to discuss all the doubts and questions that you have regarding IRA, PRA, IRC and DRC. So let us begin. So what is IRA? IRA is Initial Readiness Assessment, which is conducted by TCS for incentive purposes. You will be having 6 attempts, and out of that 6 attempts which you will be giving as an exam, that is IRA exam, best one would be selected. Now that best one would be the highest marks that you have obtained in any of the 6 attempts. Now you might have a different question. What if I only give 3 attempts? Then the maximum marks that you have obtained out of the 3 attempts will be selected. Okay, so the maximum marks would be 100. And out of that 100, if you score greater than 80, which is more than 80, you will get 60,000 as incentives apart from your salary, and you will 100% get your preferred location. And the second thing is that your training will be only for 1 week, which is the business skills training. Now the second thing is when you get more than 55 but less than 80, you will get 40k as incentive, which is 40,000 as incentives, and you will be you will have a high probability of getting the location that you have that you want. Now the third case is if you get less than 55, you will get no incentives, and there are very less chances that you will be getting the location that you have preferred or that you have given as a priority. Okay, so this is the first thing, and this IRA, this 60,000 incentive as well as 40,000 incentive is only valid before joining. After joining TCS, you will get one last chance to give IRA, but if you score 80 greater than 80 in that exam, you will get 40k as incentive, that is 40,000 as incentive. And if you score greater than 55 but less than 80 after joining, you will get 20,000 as incentive. Okay, and the next question is IRA. What would be the IRA syllabus? So there would be 2 sections in the IRA exam. First would be the MCQ, which will consist of 50 questions, and it will be for 50 marks and 50 minutes. The second section would be coding round, where you will be having 2 questions, either Java or Python, and 1 of Unix. Okay, so there will be 2 questions for 50 marks and for 70 minutes. Now for Java, you will be having different topics like KYT 5 questions, business skill 5 questions. UI would consist of major questions, like that is 10 questions. Unix will have 5 questions. Java will have 15 questions. All these are MCQ based questions. Okay, SQL, SQL will have 10 questions, and in the coding part, that is the second section, you will have Java programming code, which is 1 question for 40 marks, and Unix 15 minutes code for 10 marks. Okay, and if you opt for Python, you will have KYT 5, same, it goes on same on, but the only thing is that in place of Java programming, you will have Python programming, which is for 55 minutes again. Okay, so this is the syllabus for IRA. Let us move forward. Now what is PRA? PRA is nothing but after you have joined TCS and you have completed your ILP, which is Initial Learning Program. After that completion of program, you will have to give a PRA, which is Project Readiness Assessment, which is very easy because it is proctored, but it does not have like you do not have to turn on your camera for this exam. Okay, so you will get 3 chances, and like they say that there are 3 chances, but you can definitely go for multiple chances, more than 3 chances, but it is very easy and you can even crack it in 1 or 2 attempts. Okay, so the second thing is what is IRC and DRC? So IRC and DRC are totally mock tests. They are no problem if you missed it, or like if you have failed, there is no problem at all. And the score, yes, the score does not matter, so don't worry about IRC and DRC. They are only mock tests to check your system and how does it work. Okay, so that is another question. And moreover guys, I would like to tell you that don't miss this opportunity to get incentives. Please give the IRA exam, and if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. We will try to answer all of them. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.